Hi, I'm here with the Yarbo Y Series mower and the Yarbo M Series mower, which has yet to be released. I want to show everybody the difference in sound between the two because it's dramatic. I'm talking normally right now, and we're going to start with a test of the wheels or the treads and how the movement, the gears, the motor, and the treads sound. And then we'll do the same thing with the M series to see how it compares. So, first one's the Y series. And then we'll do the M series. So you can see the difference is big. Now we're going to do the mower, turn the blades on, and see the difference in those. So here's the mower module spinning up for the Y series. Okay, and now we'll do the Yarbo M series. So as you can see, the mower modules, they're basically the same. It's just a whirring sound, a little bit of wind sound as the blades spin. And the motors are a big difference. So I'm looking forward to the new M series. And for funsies, let's compare that to a normal riding lawnmower. Turn it on. That's a lot louder.